New technologies have been driving the woodworking industry for the past several decades. Some of those technologies are rapidly changing the way we manufacture furniture, cabinets, millwork, and fixtures. We caught up with Mark Craig of Giben recently at AWFS in Las Vegas to talk about the impact of technology on the woodworking industry. Here's what Mark had to say.
My name is Mark Craig. I'm with Giben Anderson, or Anderson Giben, I guess I should say now at this point. Anderson bought Giben last year, and now we form a group. So bringing European manufacturing and Asian manufacturing together. So we feel we're somewhat unique in that sense. We feel that being a European manufacturer with an Asian manufacturing ownership or Asian ownership gives us the best of both worlds, and in that it offers the European technology, advancements, innovation, and Giben has been relatively well known for that over the years, married to Asian manufacturing skills and competencies, and so it allows us to bring high-tech machines at a reasonable cost to the industry, which is what we feel is the direction we're going. We have to have reasonably cost-effective equipment, which otherwise would be extremely expensive to buy in the old days, let's say, but now we're making it available to a wider range of people. I believe that our industry has been on hold almost for the last 6 years, and now people are back in a good mood and ready to invest. And I think one of the key investment opportunities is in efficiency. I think there are a lot of machines out there that can do a good job, but sometimes the difference between a good machine and a great machine is how you use it. And I think having the proper material handling, inflow, outflow, management by software in many cases, expands the capabilities of a given machine far more than just adding more machinery. So we feel that tying everything together, having machines, whether that be physically or just by organization, is a key element, and one that people have not invested as much in the past, but I think the American market is ready for that now. And we're geared up to do that with handling systems, warehouse storage retrieval systems, and solutions that we feel in the past were a hard sell are now becoming very interesting to the large, but also the medium, even the small companies who want to allow themselves the higher production without necessarily a huge shop or too many people, extra people anyway. The customer base right now, as I said, has been on hold with their investments, and even, quite honestly, many people give the impression that they've put even their thought process of what the next step is on hold for some time, and that's fair. I think a lot of us went through similar emotions, but now people are back to be thinking progressively and aggressively, and how they can. So I think they realize that they have to invest in efficiencies and change their thinking overall. So what the industry has to offer, in the meantime, we've been developing new products and new process systems and new ways of machining material, and I think they realize that maybe some of the machines they have are okay, but they also need to add features to them, or add some control software, or change the way they use them to adapt better to what they want to do, ultimately get their output. Because if you look at production of 10 years ago versus production of today, it's changed a lot. We're back into an economy where people are producing volume, which is great. Nobody's going to complain about that, but it's different now. So they need to invest in automation, and they need to invest in control software, and as I said earlier, they need to even change their mindset as to how they're going to run their company.